You have to be nice about it.
Yeah, exactly. If you wanted, I would have thought about letting you out, but you got playing, so it's for you. What? It's no more woof 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 woof. Nope. Shut up. Shut up. Well, you have a warm side.
Go closer, go closer. I saw later on it. Cut that part off. Poor Kiki.
She deserves it.
Yeah, she deserves it. You peed on the carpet.
You've done it like almost every time you come here.
She does that at least 2 times every time she comes
I
here.
know. I think this is like the 5th time.
Actually, this is like the